Friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufactures. I hope all is safe and doing great. So once again, I brought for you the new exclusive varieties from Kesaria Manufactures. So every day will be a special for customers whenever the customers are walking to your shop, right? When you are into a clothing business, we have to focus on our business on daily selling, especially when the customer is looking for new collections. We have to also keep a new varieties according to season. So I brought for you to the exclusive varieties from the rapier silk collections, resellers, dealers, wholesalers, businesswomen, entrepreneurs. These collections you can tie up from directly, you can purchase by COD options by only at factory price, which starts from only 300 rupees. Today I'm going to show you the mixture of fabrics from the rapier silk segment from Kesaria Manufacturers you can buy. So keep watching this video, subscribe the channel. If you want to buy only rapier silk or silk varieties, cotton, you can mix also purchase particular segment, or you can have a same particular product. Even the bulk order collections also can purchase. Keep watching, subscribe the channel, and you can easily purchase by COD pan India, worldwide shipping also we are providing for you. So I'm going to show you the new exclusive varieties. Here are the beautiful lovely collections. Every day you can show your customers the new collections. Every product you have a color charts. The manufacturers where we are providing you the with every color, 6 colors, 5 colors. First I'll show you the chocolate color with a beautiful rapier silk variety. Chocolate color combination with a dark peach color with a brownish shade. The leaf butta work has been done. The blueberry linen cotton is the code, and this is the with blouse, which is 630 meters. For the rapier silk, the traditional look base, this variety you can give it. So very beautiful pallu you can see here, the leaf pattern. And this base you can hand over, you can give this new varieties according to the season you can buy. If I talk about the next color, which is pista color, very beautiful combination. The matte look golden color, spun cotton, pista green with a stylish leaf pattern. I'll show you this pattern, lovely print kambutta, stylish, very soft fabric. For this vacation you have a new season variety. Season to season the manufacturers are doing production and supporting the resellers. You can take a screenshot and you can contact for the color charts also. We have an online team where providing the video calling support, language Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, all over the world wide, and you can do live video calling purchase. The mobile is a fast mode services for food, even the online things how we purchase, you can purchase from manufacturers. Saree, lehenga, kurti, anything you want, either wedding purchase or engagement purchase or gifting purchase for the family events, everything you can purchase. So next pattern, very beautiful color contrast, dark color. The body part also dark color, the pallu part also dark color. The Meenakari concept, the Meena Gharchola is the beautiful code you can see here. In this base also you can see here, this is a lovely color. The color combinations are doing manufacturers are very great. So these are very unique, excellent collections where you can buy only first at the direct manufacturers. When you want to deal with the manufacturers, you have to take step. Everyone knows that Surat is the biggest textile market. You have to take time, you have to walk around, and many more retailers are, many more manufacturers are there. But you have to find out the quality, quantity, online purchase, offline purchase, language barrier, how the services are, how the delivery will be, how the transporting logistics will be. All these collections, the manufacturers, how they are strong, you can take an experience that you can do, and easily you will get an idea. If I talk about the next pattern, which is a dupion silk with a combination of green with a royal blue color, very beautiful rangoli pattern based. I have a very pretty color combination. This is one of the soft rapier silk cotton, the bold leaf pattern with the golden color combination. This also you can see here. All these exclusive varieties you can purchase set to set, no language barrier. So this is one more pattern. And if I want to talk about the light color with the settle ash blue color or the ocean blue color, which is a tissue saree, tissue silk I can say, the magenta color combination, one of the light wine color with the floral butta work, and the dark magenta color is the pallu, and the heavy border you can see here. So like jali pattern they have given, this is called tissue silk saree. And if I talk about the next pattern, very pretty color with the peach color with the golden creamish color pattern. This is also one of the pattern. So white color with the golden color combination which is given here. These are all summer special varieties and one of the fast moving variety in the South special. So if I talk about this variety which is blueberry linen, and this is one of the pattern. All these exclusive varieties you can purchase set to set. And if I talk about the next pattern which is a cookies color with the light copper brown with the heavy maroon color border with the traditional look, I can say here ash color combination. One of the ash which is a golden silk color is a border, very pretty color. This color also we have a combination. In this also you have a lovely collections. This is one of the traditional butta work linen quarter has been given here, and this is a golden butta with the wave pattern which is, these are all exclusive for the South special family events. You can gift each one. So next is Mysore silk base which is a golden silk which is a ash color with the beige color combination with the green color. One of the classy color I can say, very pretty. Royal look I can say here. The beautiful butta, floral butta with the ash color, mountain pattern mini border with the piping, beige color combination. The golden silk is the code, silver butta, heavy butta, and the ash color, this is the running blouse. See, the all varieties, if I talk about the Mysore silk, the copper traditional, khadi, tissue silk, meenakari, and very spun cotton, and the linen cotton rapier, all these exclusive varieties, it starts from 300 rupees to 1000 rupees of varieties I have showed you. I have not mentioned here specific price. If you want to know the specific price, take a screenshot, numbers are scrolling on the screen, you can call and you can talk to our executives. Why I am not mentioning the specific price? Because worldwide so many retailers are tied up with the Kesaria manufacturer. If you want to start a business, you have no idea, Kesaria Manufacturers is brought for you gateway model business support. Investment is yours. Kesaria will support you entire store setup, shop setup, boutique setup, anything. So for more information, please contact. If you are a retailer, always try to give new collections to make your customers happy. No need to worry about quality or quantity. And let me know in the comment box from which city you are watching the video, and keep following me. There's a bell icon, just click it. Link, share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Keep supporting me. Follow the website, social media pages. Next video will come up with more collections. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye-bye.